Hi, teacher Edna. My name is Ricardo Andrés Galarza Chaparro. I'm in ninth semester of Mechatronic Engineering. I will now answer the next question about the Intercultural project.
What is the strangest food you have ever tried while traveling? Did you like it? Would you recommend it? Please give details.
Okay, the question: what is the strangest food you have never tried while traveling? Did you like it? Would you recommend it? Please give details. The strangest food I have eaten was when I was in Brazil in a cultural festival where the different embassies of each country where they were dance typically decorated with that represents their country and received visitors offering typical dishes. For example, I remember in Japan offered squid balls like meatballs but squid. At first, the taste is strange, and they were a little chewy, but not bad. But the strangest food for me was, I remember, currently from Turkey. I'm not sure. The case is the fact is that they offered in a small plate a portion of rice and with spices and what seemed to be a chicken leg on top. But this was very small. It turned out to be a roasted frog leg. At first, is surprised to try it, but I was quite by the taste, as I tasted like chicken. That a rather strange dish, but I like it. I said it makes an impression at the beginning, but is really delicious. I recommend it.